Are you ready to trade your cramped hotel room for a front row seat to the best views nature has to offer? The world of travel trailers is massive, but finding the best one is about more than just the price tag. It's about finding your perfect home on wheels. From rugged, off-grid adventurers designed to conquer the wild, to luxurious couples campers built for comfort and style, the right trailer transforms a trip into an enduring lifestyle. Before you hitch up and hit the road, you need to understand the key players.
Product number 1. Plusrock RV Underbelly Material RV Underbelly Tape, Waterproof Flex Belly Tape with permanent sealing adhesive for mobile home experience. Plusrock RV Underbelly Material RV Underbelly Tape, Waterproof Flex Belly Tape with permanent sealing adhesive for mobile home. Heavy-duty material. Made of polyethylene with 3 layers, a layer of permanent sealing adhesives, a layer of tough braided material, and a layer of waterproof plastic film, which is long-lasting, tear-resistant, and supporting long-lasting use. Great adhesion. Permanent adhesive patch to cover up or protect the underneath of your RV. When placed over holes and tears, the repair tape bonds tightly to the bottom closure material permanently. Eliminate taping the rips and tears in your underbelly repeatedly.
Product number 2. Collapsible Dish Drying Rack, Portable Dinnerware Drainer Organizer for kitchen, RV, campers, travel trailer, space-saving kitchen storage tray. Food-grade material, made from eco-friendly PP plus TPR material that is BPA-free and food-grade. The flexible material allows the dish strainers for kitchen counter to collapse flat for easy space saving and storage, making the most of your kitchen countertop. Built-in utensil drying rack, separate storage area for utensils and gadgets. The non-slip dish drying rack is scratch-proof and offers a safe place for plates and cups and has a separate compartment for cutlery. Perfect for storage and draining dinnerware and glassware. Product number 3. The Greenhorn's Guide to Travel Trailers. Must-know information for all new RV owners. Experience the Greenhorn's Guide to Travel Trailers. May not be suitable for all product users. Now for the utilities. Learn your amp needs. Is your trailer 30 amp or 50 amp? Always carry the right electrical adapters. Connecting water is simple. Attach your water pressure regulator to the spigot first to protect your plumbing, and then connect your white hose. The black and gray tanks are where your wastewater goes. Learn the correct order for dumping them. Always empty the black tank first, followed by the gray tank, to rinse the sewer hose.
Product number 4.
Mick Tuning Heavy Duty Trailer Towing Organizer Powder Coating. Experience Mick Tuning Heavy Duty Trailer Towing Organizer Powder Coating. Star Universal Fit fits manual or electric 2-inch and 2 1/4-inch diameter tongue jack. 7-way harness clamped to the bracket and safety chains mounted on side hooks. Also fits jacket bike rack. Star sturdy and durable, made of heavy-duty aluminum, not easy to break, anti-rust and corrosion resistant, strong enough to hold heavy chain and electric brake cable well. Not like others made of fragile plastic, quite thin and break easily. Also fits jacket bike rack. Star, sturdy and durable, made of heavy-duty aluminum, not easy to break, anti-rust and corrosion resistant, strong enough to hold heavy chain and electric brake cable well. Products number 5. Motion Activated RV Step Lights. Experience Motion Activated RV Step Lights. Infrared Induction Motion Detection. Motion sensor light on the PIR sensor can detect human movement. 10 feet once your approach is detected, the RV step lights will automatically turn on in the dark, in the absence of detected motion or other light sources. 18 seconds after the automatic shutdown, a large degree of power savings and improved durability. Bright LED outdoor step lights. The RV Step Lights Motion Activated is made of 10 premium LED beads, super bright,
No glare, no flash, no eye damage. Suitable for many places with different lighting needs. The wireless camper step lights can also be used as an emergency light because he is magnetized and can be removed at any time and taken to any place you need lighting, providing you with great convenience in dark environments.